Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can reset your Bluetooth on Vivo phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, here first of all you can see setting. Just tap on setting. Then after that, here you can search on search bar, or you can search setting. You can search for the reset Bluetooth, or you can scroll down. You just keep scrolling, and here on the last second you can see the option of the system. So you can click on the system. After you click on system, here you can see the option of the this point reset options. Okay, so click on this reset option point. After that, here the first point under the reset options you can see is reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So click on reset Wi-Fi and mobile Bluetooth. After that, here you can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So it includes Wi-Fi and mobile data also, even the Bluetooth. So here on the down you can see the option of the reset setting. Tap on reset setting. Then by this help you can reset your Bluetooth if you have Bluetooth problem or Bluetooth not working on your Vivo phone. Okay, so friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.